The complete Jenkins DevOps CI/CD pipeline bootcamp. Jenkins pipeline, groovy for DevOps automation using Jenkins CI/CD pipeline with DSLs with just one course. What you'll learn.
Requirements: basic knowledge about software development processes. Knowledge of Java will be helpful, but not necessary to take this course. Desire to learn something new. Knowledge of Git, Maven, Linux will be preferred, but not required. A computer running Windows, OS X, or Linux.
Description: are you ready to take your DevOps skills to the next level and streamline your software development and deployment processes? Look no further. Welcome to Mastering Jenkins, the ultimate Udemy course designed to transform you into a Jenkins expert. Why Learn Jenkins in the fast-paced world of software development, automation is the key to success. Jenkins, an open-source automation server, has become the go-to choice for DevOps professionals worldwide. With Jenkins, you can automate your build, test, and deployment pipelines, ensuring the delivery of high-quality software faster and more efficiently. Who this course is for: anyone who want to fully understand how Jenkins works and learn how Jenkins is being used in the field. DevOps, developers, or IT admins who want to advance their career by improving their DevOps skills. Anyone who want to implement or improve their continuous integration, continuous deployment workflow at their company. Course content: getting started with Jenkins. Setting up Jenkins learning environment. What you should know about Jenkins. Building application with freestyle jobs. Jenkins and its plugin model. Writing custom plugins. Jenkins pipelines and Jenkins files. Jenkins pipelines and Jenkins files. Course content: distributed builds in Jenkins. Running Jenkins with Docker containers. Jenkins security aspects. More on Jenkins. Project build tool, Maven optional. Thank you for watching. Free enrollment link in the description.